Good morning, students. Today I am going to start chapter 5, Fun with Paint. Now, this is a very interesting chapter, children, because you love drawing. Okay, so drawing is a very interesting thing for the children. Okay, so now we will learn to draw on the computer. Okay. Now here we can draw many things on the computer, children. Here paint, MS Paint comes with very easy to draw and color tools. Okay, there are many tools here in MS Paint with the help of which you can easily draw many kinds of shapes and color them also on the computer screen. Now, children, I will show you that you can draw different kinds of shapes also on MS Paint. Now, children, I am going to show you here. This is the MS Paint window. Okay, here you can see this is the ribbon. Okay, children, here this is called the ribbon. Okay, now here there are shapes. With the help of these shapes you can draw different kinds of shape on the computer screen. Okay, children, here are different tools with the help of which you can draw different kinds of shapes on the computer screen. Okay, children, here this is the color box with the help of which you can give color to your drawing. Okay, children, now I will show you that how you can draw shapes on the computer screen. First of all, children, you can see this. Okay, I will from here you can see the arrow key here. Okay, here from here you can select any of the shapes. Okay, children, now I am selecting one star. Okay, I am selecting the star. Now when I will bring this mouse pointer, you can see the mouse pointer turned into plus sign. Okay, children, now with this plus sign you just click the left button and then drag this. A perfect star will drawn on the computer screen. Okay, children, now I will choose here one oval. Now again this plus sign comes on the computer screen. When you just click the left mouse button and then drag it, then one perfect circle will be on the screen. So here with the help of MS Paint you can draw the perfect shape on the computer screen. Okay, children, here these are the ribbon and this is the image toolbox. These are the brushes. Here are shapes. Okay, shapes groups and color groups. Okay, children, here this is called the quick launch bar. यहाँ जो button है, these are the frequently used button on the quick launch bar. जो आप जल्दी जल्दी use करते हैं ना, that button comes on the quick launch bar. Okay, children. Now, children, you can see in this way you can insert these ready-made shapes in the drawing, such as any star, circle, rectangle, triangle, oval. Okay, many shapes. You can also click on the lowermost arrow to open the full list of ready-made shapes. Here this is the lower arrow and the upper arrow, and from here you can select the full shape. See here, if I am clicking here, all the shapes are here in the shape box. If I am selecting this shape, okay, and then pressing the left mouse button, when I will drag, this shape will come on the computer screen. Now here there are call out shapes. These three shapes, this rectangle, oval and cloud, these three shapes are called call out shape. I will show you here, children, when it comes on the screen. This is one call out shape, then this is the another call out shape, and this is the third call out shape. This is the cloud call out shape. Okay, these three are call out shape. Here you can also add text inside it. How you will add the text inside the call out shape? In this shape you just go to the home tab. Here this is the home tab. ये home tab है आपका. यहाँ आप home tab में गए. After that, in the shapes group, go to the, this is the shapes group, and then after in going to the shapes group, I have clicked, I have made there these call out shapes here. Okay, then move to the drawing area and लेफ्ट क्लिक पॉइंटर से इसको हम अपने साइज का बना लिए. ओके, नाउ वी कैन फिल कलर इनसाइड इट ऑल्सो. फिल कलर कैसे करेंगे? पहले ये फिल विथ कलर टूल पे, दिस इज कॉल्ड द बकेट टाइप दिस टूल, दिस इज कॉल्ड द फिल विथ कलर टूल. ठीक है, इसको हम लोग फिल विथ कलर टूल बोलते हैं. क्लिक हियर एंड आफ्टर क्लिकिंग हियर go and choose the color from here. I have chosen the color from here. Then go and put this box here and just click it. देखिए यहाँ पे ये कलर भर गया. After that again select the another color. Again go here. This color changes. Go and then select another color here and then put it here. Select then another color and then put it here. These, the color here, the color changes. Okay children, now you can use here the text tool also. For the text tool, this A symbol you can see here. आप जब A symbol पे click करेंगे, then you can add the text also in this call outs. Okay, I have selected this A. Then when I will click here, I can write anything. Okay, I am writing here hello. Okay, then again see here hello is written here. Okay, you can also change this color of the text. Okay children, now I also want to add here color. Okay, now here I will write hello. You can see here hello is written here. Okay, in this call out shape hello is written here. Again I am choosing this call out. Okay, hello is, you can see here children, hello is written here. Okay, then in the next call out, then again I have selected here the text and then I am just choosing another color, and then here again I am writing here hello. Okay, you can format this text also here. Okay, I am clicking here bold. Okay, this यहाँ पर जो है इसको हम फॉर्मेट कर सकते हैं यहाँ से from the font group. I can change the writing style from here also. Okay, I have taken this writing style, and then bold, and then some bigger in size like 18 or and then again I will write here. You can see here the writing is changed here, it is underlined and it is bold also. So in this way you can write anything in the cloud group also. Now next, now move to children here tools group. Okay, now see here children, again go to home tab. Here you can see these are the tools group. यहाँ पे you can see this is the pencil. This is the pencil tool. Here when I am clicking here the pencil tool, okay, then with the help of pencil tool just click on the left mouse button and drag and make the shape as you want. As you draw it with your pencil, you make the shape as you want, and then you can again fill the color also with this fill with color tool. Okay, I am choosing here red color and putting it here. Okay, see here these petals of the flower, which is not very good, I have not put it right, this becomes red. Okay, then I am again putting this here. Okay, see here you can draw as you with the pencil tool as with your pencil in your drawing copy. Now next move to this eraser tool. This eraser tool means you can erase if you think that you have drawn it wrong. So click the left mouse button and then drag whatever you want to erase, then it will erase like this. Okay, now next move to this. This is called color picker tool. If some color is here and you want to this color only to fill it here, so from here this select this color picker tool, then select the color from here. This color picker tool will select the color and then you can fill this color in this star. Okay children, now next let's move to this. This is the magnifier tool. With the help of magnifier tool you can see this, you can magnify it. देखिए थोड़ा बड़ा दिख रहा है और बड़ा दिख रहा है. Now if with the right click you can move to the normal or shorter, and with the left click it will be zoom bigger, and with the right click it will move to the smaller. Okay children, now this is all about the tools group. Now children, next move to the select button. This is called the select button. इस सेलेक्ट बटन से आप जो है किसी भी पिक्चर को सेलेक्ट कर सकती हैं, फिर उसको कट कर सकते हैं और फिर कहीं और पे भी हम लगा सकते हैं. लेट्स practice this select tool. I am clicking here this select tool. I have clicked here the select tool. Okay. Now the plus sign symbol comes on the screen. Now if you want to select this cloud call out, okay, then what you have to do, you just have to click the left mouse button and then drag this and whatever portion is selected here, you can do anything with this. You can cut this is cut it, and then you can paste it also. Okay, see. Okay, now using this tool, like I have made this petals, you can make more petals also by copying and pasting here. Again, if I am selecting this select tool, okay, I have selected this select tool, then pressing the left mouse button, I will just select this petal and then copy it. I have copied. Then again I have selected here and then paste here. You see, this comes on the screen. Now you can move this 4 arrow key and put it wherever you want. Okay, understood now? Then again, if you will press the copy paste button, one more petal will come on the screen. आप इस तरह से as much petal you can make of this flower as you can. मतलब आप एक बार एक पेटल बना लिया और आपको सेम टू सेम वैसे ही चाहिए, तो आप एक बार उसको सिलेक्ट करके आप कॉपी कर लीजिए और फिर पेस्ट कीजिए और बार बार वो वैसा आप बन जाएगा और आपको फिर से ड्रॉ नहीं करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो नाउ चिल्ड्रन, you are now aware of these cut, copy and paste button also. Okay, with the help of the selection tool, you can cut, copy and paste also different pictures on the screen. For today, this much only. In the next video, I will continue this chapter. Okay, till then, happy Diwali. Have a nice day and like the video and subscribe the video. Thank you, children.